Morning, this is JMC3 here. Now this is going to be weird. I wasn't expecting a package today, but I got a package in. I have no idea what it is. I really, like seconds ago, just opened the door. I'm going to open this up. This is going to be a unboxing and a surprise for me and everybody involved. I didn't even cross out my name yet. I just put my Spyderco Tenacious over it. So before I say 29,000 times, I'm gonna pause this and open it up. Let's see what's in the box. Cutting is complete. Cutting is complete. Let's see what we got in here. Now, I'm gonna let you know, I ordered some cold steel products a while ago. I'm hoping that's what this is. But there's only one item in here. Okay, now I'm gonna let you know, over the weekend I was scanning the websites as I do, looking for new things coming out, things that interest me, and I came across a cold steel Espada, the new ones, the XL, the G10 versions. If that's what this is, yeah, I'm gonna be giggling for a while, because I turn into a kid when I get, holy crap. Can you see that? Cold steel Espada, extra large. I can't believe that's what this is. Looks like the box has been, looks like it's bursting out of the box. Okay, let's get rid of some of this paper. I'm not going to get that excited. Now, because this is from a reputable company that I've ordered from many times ago, which is Knifecenter, and actually they're not too far from where I live. I'm pretty sure this is not a knockoff, or what do they call it, a piece of crap. I'm thinking this is the real article. And there she is. Cold steel Espada XL G10. And holy crap, this is a very aggressive G10. You're going to be surprised, for those that do get this, how light this thing is. I know I'm walking around with this. Y'all don't need to see all this crap where I live. So what I want to do is I want to go upstairs. I want to clean off my table. And I want to set up an opening for this, just to give everybody a first look at this puppy. I'll be D. And here we are. Espada 2011, extra large. And there's the beast. I cannot believe this thing is actually sitting here right now, because I kind of ordered it on a late night whim. Sitting down watching TV, all of a sudden, scanning the internet, just looking at different blades. Then all of a sudden I go to Knifecenter, look it up, and they go, it's up there. It's for sale. So on a whim, I order it. Then, just like that, it's off their site again. So I'm thinking, okay, it was a goof. Come Monday morning, I will correct the mistake. I'll call them up, say cancel my order, blah, blah, blah. But in the time that it took for me to realize it wasn't a mistake, it was already here. I didn't even get a chance to call them up to ask them what was they doing on their website to make it even pop up. Because it's happened before, you know, they had something on there that was in stock, and it turned out it was a glitch, human error, whatever, blah, blah, blah. But here we go. This thing is a beast. Now, you know, this is the rhetoric that they need to put on there, telling you how sharp it is. And this thing is, this thing could kill the average human being and all that other good stuff. Let's get rid of that. If you own a Recon 1, that's how aggressive this is. But it is really light for something this big. So, I'll pause for a quick second.